Take a look at this nice little 1997 Chevrolet S10 SS two-wheel drive, regular cab truck. Just traded into us. Decided to go with something a little bit older and traded this in on a early 60s Chevrolet. Nice little truck, has approximately 47,000 original miles on it. Clean title. Just a nice, well taken care of truck. Pretty much all stock, powered by a 4.3 liter Vortec V6 underneath the hood. Particular one, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Yes, air conditioning blows cold. It all appears to be the original paint on it. There's no indication of any repaint or anything done to that effect on it. You can see the reflection off our ceiling, see, and the kind of tarp there. There are some imperfections in the paint. I mean, it is a 20-year-old vehicle, and it is black, so you're going to see some, but overall, you can see the reflection coming off that hood. I mean, this thing has a nice luster to it. Tell you what, for 20 years old, extremely nice shape, and again, a little over 40-some thousand miles. Interior, same thing, just what you'd expect. Cloth seats, and these carpets aren't washed out. That's just the lighting, the way the interior lights make it look. Otherwise, nice gray carpeting. Dash is not cracked. Seats are not torn. The split bench with a folding armrest console there. Obviously, comes with an owner's manual. Still with the vehicle. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, I have still pictures of the underside of this, the engine bay, the bed and everything. You can see the bed's not all scratched up or dinged up. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com, and or just give us a call if you'd like to have any questions answered on this, maybe discuss transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. There's no bed liner in it. There is that little tonneau sport tonneau cover that rolls up. You can see how that works in the pictures. I have it rolled up so you can see it like it is now. You can see it rolled up. Check out the bed. See how straight the truck is too. It's not all dinged up or had a lot of door dings. You just tell this thing's been very well taken care of. Let's go ahead and check out this driver's side. I'll get you the exact mileage. Again, there's your seat where it goes in and out at, not ripped or torn or worn. Let's go ahead and start this up. Some of the other equipment: power windows, power mirrors, power locks, fog lamps. Close the door here. So there's your miles, 47,572. That's a daytime running indicator, daytime running light indicator up there, and then the seatbelt I don't have on. So there's no check engine lights, anything like that on. Stereo system. Said does have air conditioning. Sorry, getting a little bit of glare from the windows there, but as you can see, very, very nice truck. Let's slip out around here. I'm gonna pop the hood open so you can check out the engine bay. See how nice and tidy that is too. So give me a second here. Pop that hood open. Alright, hood's popped. There it is. 4.3 liter Vortec underneath there. Hear how smooth it runs. That was a very good engine from General Motors, used for many years. As you can see, also well cared for under the hood. Nice and tidy. So there you are. If you're looking for a nice, well taken care of little Chevrolet S10, here you go. 1897 regular cab Chevrolet S10 SS. Check out all the still pictures at our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, or feel free to give us that call, 507-386-1726.